If you want to fix the slow keyboard typing issue on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus after the iOS 26 update, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the option of Keyboard. Just tap on it, and from here just disable Predictive Text and Autocorrection. After you do that, then go back, and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Tap on Reset Dictionary, and once you have done that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Accessibility. From here, under Accessories, just tap on Keyboards and Typing, and over here you will find the option of Slow Keys. Now, if this toggle is enabled on your iPhone, just disable it from here. And after you've done that, then go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, and this will fix any software glitch you might have on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the slow keyboard typing issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.